on our way to Mayfield Garden, Oberon, New South Wales, Australia. But first, we're going to the Reef Reserve. And as you can see, maaga kami nagising, mga 4. And then drive at 5 a.m. So, if you're planning to take a tourist here out Australia, napaka-peaceful dito. Grabe. So, makikita nyo ang foggy pa kasi ang weather ngayon sa Australia, sa Sydney is autumn. 2 hours and 45 minutes kami nakadating sa Mayfield. So, nakita nyo naman, kakagising pa lang ng anak ko from her sleep. Also, here at Australia, we have 4 seasons sa Sydney. Merong autumn, summer, spring, at saka winter. So, maraming places na pwede kang bisitahin. So, ngayon pa lang, masishare ko ngayon is at Mayfield kasi nga it's autumn. So, ito, nandito na tayo sa Reef Reserve. So, yung kaibigan namin at saka yung asawa ko gusto muna mag-fishing. So, video ko din yung cow kasi tuwang-tuwa yung anak ko. First time yung makakita ng cow na malapitan. So, ayan, napakatahimik talaga. So, pwede rin, halos yung mga pumunta dito sa Reef Reserve, nagka-camping at saka nag-fishing. Yan. So, ako to at saka yung anak ko si Tamara. No, enjoy na enjoy si Tamara kasi nga first time niya din mag-fishing. So, yan. Ang ganda, di ba? Tapos ito naman, so tinuturuan ng asawa ko yung anak ko kung paano mag-fishing. Yan, oh, cute-cute. However, we didn't caught any fishes, so we just granted our husband's wish. Did you caught a fish? Smile! Can you smile? Here, the camera. Ah! Hala, you caught a... What's that? What's that? Show mo. Bilis. What's that?
Show mo, Lola, dali.
Takot na siya.
Galing
Tito Bang. So while waiting for my husband to give up, I'll just trying to practice on fishing too. Para next time, my husband can take us to fishing.
You want mommy to get the duck?
Let's get the duck.
So, we're back to driving again. So, ito na, pupunta na kami sa Mayfield Garden. Na-enjoy ni Tamara yung crinkles na binake namin nung nakaraang araw. Ewan ko ba't walang sound. I think it's because my phone was connected to the car. So, yan. She was showing her food, eating it. And I think she was all about making sound too. Funny sound. Sorry, I cannot share it. Bigla kasing nawala. Ayan, we're here at Mayfield Garden. Tamara! Look at mommy. Yeah. They're going on the other side. Picture. Tamara pa rin ganun.
Dami pa natin papundahan.
Yan, so beautiful nung autumn. Nakita nyo yung trees, napaka-kulay orange. Tapos yung fields niya, puro hydrangeas. So, ibig sabihin, mas maganda sa spring.
Masyadong mabilis. Yay!
So if you want to see our photos during our visit at Mayfield, you can visit me at Facebook. I will add this in the below description.
Say hi, bird. You say hi, bird.
Hi, bird.
Oh, don't go closer. Oh, don't go closer, Tamara.
Duck.
Is it a duck?
Huh?
Is it a duck?
Yeah.
Say hi. Smile, Tamara. Oh, no more na.
Sabay na.
Nababay na.
Napaka-vibrant ng colors ng garden. Hindi namin siya natapos kasi nga masyadong mahaba na yung lakarin. So, we'll definitely come back. Please subscribe and like our page. See ya!